na generator natin na nag-operational dito sa planta ng Candanay, bali 3 yung nag-fail. Actually naging 4 ngayon. Kasi may mga trouble din. Oo. Kaya mga deficit natin umabot ng mga more than mga 3 mega. Ginagawa namin ng paraan sa planta para mapabilis kasi ang maintenance kasi na matagal masyadong mga 10 to 15 days Kaya nga naging kami ng sorry sa mga establishment, maraming establishment, mga businesses na nadamay yun nga rotational every 4 hours lang yung power. Mga 1 to 2 years kasi ang pagpa-process ng ngayon, siguro mga 1 year na lang kasi kung with the help of president or like at mga admin mapapadali, mga 1 year na lang siguro. Kasi ang normal niyan 1 to 2 years kasi ang processing ng documents, mga 1 year pa-bidding pa sa SP, sa mga 1 year yung installation sa planta. Nag-coordinate kami kay Procelco at saka tulong na rin sa NEA to rent. So may rent na rin sila na 2 mega na genset, diesel generator, at then meron din kaming also 1 mega na incoming, and to suffice the almost 2 megawatts and 2 to 3 megawatts na deficit natin para ma-resolve yung current na problema natin ngayon dito sa Siquijor Town.
I am happy to inform the people of Siquijor that out of the 4 down gensets of SIPCOR, 2 were already rectified as of 12 midnight last night. So we have a total output of 7.2 megawatts, and that will cover the base load of the whole province. And within 24 hours, the 2 gensets that were deployed by NEA from Palawan to Siquijor will arrive, and another genset that is a rental unit procured by SIPCOR will arrive the island, and within 24 hours it will be integrated into the system. So hopefully within 48 at the most 72 hours we can restore 24-hour supply of electricity. There were preventive maintenance that were not carried out well that resulted into the breakdown of these 4 units. It affected the tourism industry, the local businesses here. However, we are here to, I visited the province to make sure that the rental gensets will be installed properly, and that will be the short-term solution. Now, very timely that I was able to see for myself, and based on my discussions with the management of Procelco, the electric cooperative, I believe NEA, being the agency watching over electric cooperatives, should support Procelco in the upgrade of their sub-transmission assets. SIPCOR is still under close monitoring by NEA, and hopefully on all this catch-up plan, they can put it in place on a permanent basis. To the people of Siquijor, pasensya na kayo. I mean, sa nangyaring power crisis, and rest assured, the government is all out in trying to restore electricity here. Wag makaapekto sa negosyo, and no less than His Excellency President Bongbong Marcos will visit Siquijor and make sure that everything will be in order.